Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Aaron. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you some foam ear tips that will improve your Sony WF-1000XM4's comfort and noise cancelling. These are from a brand called Dekoni. Now, for those of you who don't know this brand, they're pretty well known for making replacement cushions for some of the most popular headphones in the market. They're also the sponsor of this video, but rest assured that I myself have tested these ear tips, so I can say with a lot of confidence that these are some great alternatives to the stock ones that Sony provides with the XM4, and there are a few reasons for that. Now, these are called the Bulletz ear tips. On the right, we've got the Bulletz Mercury. These are made to fit most earbuds in general, as long as they've got nozzles that are at least 4.9mm wide. They actually look a lot like Sony's stock ear tips, but the reason why the Sony's tips require a bit more effort to plug in is because its foam is quite stiff. The Bulletz Mercury is different. Its foam is much softer, so it plugs easier into your ear canal, and it does feel more comfortable to wear compared to Sony's stock ear tips. On top of that, I got better noise isolation out of the Mercury ear tips because their foam is actually thicker than the stock ear tips, and as a result, the XM4's noise cancelling also got quieter in the mid-range. The Bulletz TWS are designed for truly wireless earbuds. These have the same properties as the Mercury, but they are smaller, so they can fit easily into the cases of most truly wireless earbuds. Now, the full-sized Mercury will fit into the XM4's case, but for most other earbuds like the Jabra Elite Active 35T, it's better to get these instead because these will fit into the Jabra's case. Also, if you're currently using silicone ear tips and you replace them with these ear tips, they will provide better noise isolation and of course, better fitting and sweat absorbency for working out. But do take note that if you fit the TWS model to the XM4, you're not gonna get as much noise isolation as you can get with the Mercury. So for the XM4 earbuds, I recommend using the Mercury instead. Aside from these models, we've also got the Bulletz Gemini. Now, these bring similar benefits as the Mercury, but they are made for earbuds with tiny 3mm nozzles. We also have Bulletz that are made specially to fit the brackets of the AirPods Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. The ones made for Samsung were a slight improvement on the Buds Pro's ear tips, but the one made for the AirPods Pro, this one, was a pretty huge improvement for me. If you guys have been following this channel for a while, you know what I have to say about the AirPods Pro's fit. It fits a lot better now because the foam tips are applying more friction. Noise isolation also got a boost, so these ear tips, they are staying on my AirPods Pro. Now, some of you may be wondering if the Bulletz have any impact on sound quality. I was quite surprised that the Bulletz didn't have an impact at all on my earbud sound. That was definitely not what I was expecting since these are foam ear tips. I thought that if I use these instead of the silicone ones, maybe I'll get a spike in the bass or perhaps some muffling of the high frequencies. But nope, no impact at all. There was perhaps a very small 2 to 3% decrease in volume, but aside from that, everything sounded just like the stock ear tips. So if you're wondering if there's gonna be any sound quality sacrifices, compromises, not at all. So guys, if you want to upgrade your XM4's foam tips, consider getting these Bulletz from Dekoni. Do check them out, links are in the description box if you want to try these ear tips for yourselves. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please punch that like button and share this video with your friends. Also, please consider subscribing and ringing the notifications bell if you want to get more content from this channel, including more earbuds related content. Again, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Dekoni, and to my lawless gang who supports this channel on Patreon. If you want to have your name on that list like these guys, do support my work on Patreon for $1 or more per month. Not only can you help keep this show going, you gain some pretty cool rewards too. And at the highest tier level, you can even get free merch. Link is in my description box if you want to join the Lawless Gang on Patreon. I've also got a Discord server, so if you want to hang out with us, the Lawless Gang, join us on Discord. Link is in the box down below. More videos coming up soon, so don't go away.